It's been 2 days since new Galaxy S10 series was announced and released, and now we're going to show you the first glance what we think about new devices. 10th generation of Samsung Galaxy high-end flagship consists of few devices. They all have a new design with the thinnest bezels around the display so far. S10 Plus is the most advanced with 6.4-inch display. Regular S10 has 6.1-inch, while the smallest and most compact S10e has a 5.8-inch display. The difference is visible on the back. S10 Plus and S10 has 3 rear cameras, while the smallest S10e has 2 cameras. For a long period now, Samsung is #1 regarding display quality, and all S10 series devices have dynamic AMOLED. In profile, devices are thin around 7.8mm, which is thinner than previous Galaxy S8 and S9 models. All 3 devices have Exynos 9820 Octa chipset that runs Android 9. Along with thin bezels around the display, the double front camera on S10 Plus is curved into the display. The other 2 models that have one front camera also have these cameras inside the display. Build quality along with waterproof certificate are here as they were in previous models. While S9 wasn't so different from the S8, the new Galaxy S10 models make a difference, not just between the previous Galaxy models, but I think they have a distinctive design compared to all other flagships. I like the Samsung One UI Android upgrade. All S10 models have a fingerprint reader on the bottom of the display inside the display. In the end, what will interest many are the built-in cameras. The smallest S10e has 2 cameras on the rear, 12 and 16 megapixels. The first has variable aperture, while the second is extremely wide, ultra-wide. S10 has 3 cameras, 2 from 12 and 1 from 16 megapixel. First records standard wide, the other is ultra wide, and the third is portrait or zoom camera. Same cameras as S10 Plus are built in the regular S10. Hope you like this video. I'd like to see your comments. What do you think about the new S10 lineup? And that's it. See you in some other video. Bye.